Hey everyone, and welcome back to the storyline. So today I'm here back with another story that is about farmer and two sons. So let's see what about these three. In a peaceful countryside, there lived a hard-working farmer named John. He had two sons, Adam and Ben, who were as different as night and day. Adam was diligent and responsible, while Ben was a carefree and lazy. Despite their contrasting personalities, John loved both his sons deeply and hoped to pass down his farm to them one day. One sunny morning, as the golden rays of the sun danced upon the fields, John called his sons to gather around him. He had an important lesson to teach them. With a strained but gentle voice, he said, "My dear sons, I am growing old, and the time will come when I can no longer tend to this land. It is my wish that both of you take care of it and work together as a team. Remember, unity is strength." Adam listened unattentively, understanding the gravity of his father's words. He nodded with a determination eager to show soldiers to responsibility and make his father proud. Ben, on the other hand, rolled his eyes and mumbled under his breath, showing no interest in the task at hand. As the years passed, John gradually stepped back from his duty, leaving the farm in the hand of his sons. Adam worked tirelessly tending to the crops, milking the cows, and repairing the fence. He understood the importance of hard work and the dedications needed to maintain the farm's prosperity. In contrast, Ben slacked off, spending most of his day idling away, neglecting his duty. He often ignored his brother's pleas for help, choosing instead of laze around and enjoy the leisurely side of life. The consequences of Ben's laziness soon become evident. The field that Adam diligently cared for flourished, yielding abundant crops and providing sustenance for the family and the community. However, the neglected area under Ben's legislature was suffered gently, the crops withered, the animals grew weak, and the fences fell into disrepair. One day, as the farm faced its most challenging crisis yet, a devastating storm threatened to destroy everything in its path. Adam, overwhelmed by the immense task at hand, realized that he couldn't save the farm alone. He desperately called out to Ben, pleading for his help. Awakened by the urgency in his brother's voice, Ben realized the severity of the situation. He realized the error of his way and how his laziness had not only affected himself but also the livelihood of his family. With a newfound determination, he rushed to Adam's side, ready to make amends. Together, Adam and Ben worked tirelessly, battling the storms and salvaging what they could. They repaired the fences, protected the animals, and did everything in their power to preserve the farm and their father and entrusted to them. As the storm finally passed, leaving behind a trail of distractions, a sense of unity and resilience prevailed on the farm. Adam and Ben stood side by side, surviving the damage, but their hearts were filled with pride. They realized that only through cooperations and mutual supports could they overcome any obstacle that came their way. From that day forward, Adam and Ben learned the true value of teamwork and the importance of their roles in sustaining their family legacy together. They nurtured the land, worked harmlessly, and ensured the farm thrived. As the year went by, John watched his sons grow into a responsible man bound not only by blood but by their shared experiences and lessons learned. He knew that his farm was in good hand and that the unity they had forged would carry them through any adversity. The tale of the farmer and his two sons become a timeless reminder of the power of cooperation and strength that lies within unity. It taught them that when they set aside their differences and worked together, they could overcome any. That's all for this story. Thank you for watching.